there, guys. My name is Faith McKenna, and I'm here with Some Tech Medias. I come from the Rakanibi County. That's my hometown. My hometown is actually Chuka. That's where I come from, and I studied in Laikipia University. It's in Nyahururu. That's where I did my degree in environmental science. And after that, I moved to Nakuru for my attachment and internship. Later on, I graduated with my degree. Then I decided to start a business that is going to settle me for life. So that's how I moved here to Narok. This is how Laundry Haven has come to be. So my business is actually a laundry business. This is what I'm doing. So when you bring your clothes in one day, the next day you get to pick them. They we don't stay long with your clothes. We make sure they dry very fast and fold them for you and make sure you get them as soon as possible. So in Laundry Haven, we wash all types of clothes. We wash your towels. As you can see, we do trousers, we do jeans, we do beddings, we do t-shirts and shirts. We do duvets, we do blankets, and all those other clothes. And we also do light carpets. Carpets, the fluffy ones, not the heavy ones, just the fluffy ones. Yeah. And we also do shoes. So okay, to my customers around in this place, Narok, Macedonia Place, around just this Masai Mara University, thank you so much for trusting Laundry Haven to actually do your laundry. And I want to request you to give referrals to your friends. And thank you so much for those who have referred us to your friends. Thank you so much. May God bless you. This is Samtech Media. It has helped me advertise this business of mine. If you want to advertise your business or the work that you're doing, just reach Samtech Medias, in YouTube, in WhatsApp, you can just reach them. They're really doing an amazing job. Thank you so much, Samtech Media. Shout out to my family, my lovely members back in Chuka, in Narok, in Nairobi, in Meru, the others that are in London and in US. I love you guys. Shout out to my customers here in Narok, Masai Mara University. Shout out to you. Shout out to Laikipia University. That's the place I was shaped to become the person that I am today. I love you guys. I want to give this special shout out to my husband. I want to tell him thank you so much for his support that he has been giving me in this laundry business. I want to tell him that I love him so much and I treasure him. Yeah. Tupatane Samtech Media next time for an amazing time. I had an amazing time. See you there. Bye bye.